In this video, I want to share about configuration MPLS with router Cisco, and now I have a three router Cisco. It is router 1 connect to router 2 and router 2 connect to router 3. Yes. Now let's go to configuration. Okay, this is the topology MPLS. I will presentation configuring this topology in this router 1 to PE1, router 2 it must to be P, and this router 3 P2. And this topology which configure with hardware Cisco. This have a port gigabit Ethernet in 0/0 in from router 1 to connect router 2 with gigabit Ethernet 0.0 connect, and from router 2 connect to router 3 gigabit Ethernet 1/0 to gigabit router to 0/0. Okay, think enough for uh, uh, presentation about topology. Now let's go to configure router 1. Now contact change name host name PE1. Now shut down IP domain, look up, and now enter to interface gigabit Ethernet. Now description link this is to link to P. Okay, IP at IP address address 2021. Okay, now should okay turn on MPLS IP. Okay, now exit. Now make the interface loopback. Enter to interface loopback. Interface loopback. Oh, I forget to number for number. And enter IP address 111. Okay, exit, and make the OSPF root OSPF 1 router ID, enter router ID and enter the network and area 0 because it have a sales to IP loopback. And now add the network again, network 12 0 no area 0. Okay, this OSPF in router 1 is done. Now to make BGP, route BGP okay, I forgot R in command. Okay, next enter the neighbor remote AS 65,000 and look back to no. This is look back to remote AS. Now update source loop back 0 from the BGP to loopback source BGP from loopback and no auto summary exit. Okay, in router 1 is done. Go to router 2. Okay, continue to configure router 2. Enter to config terminal const and change the name with from hostname p change the p router and shut down or no IP domain look up and enter to interface give 0/0 at IP address 2022 with subnet mask 0 and no shoot down and turn on MPLS IP. Okay, done. Exit. Okay, enter to interface Y1/0 and add IP address to router 3 or PE2. And subnet, don't forget to input subnet mask. Okay, no shoot and turn on the MPLS IP. Okay, exit. Now make interface loopback. Interface loopback 0 and enter IP address 222 and enter subnet mask and exit. Now making root OSPF in here, router OSPF 1 and input router ID to input network 000 area 0 and network 0 area 0 and network 23 0 and 0 area 0. Okay, and exit. Okay, this configure router to like this. Now continue to configure router 3. Now I will continue configure to router 3 or PE2. Okay, enter config terminal and change the name PE2. Okay, and shut down the IP domain lookup. IP domain lookup. Okay, and enter to interface 0 and input the IP address 2021 83 and subnet, don't forget to input the subnet mask and no shoot and turn on MPLS IP and exit. Now make the interface loopback. Interface loopback 0, don't forget 0 and input the IP address at IP address 3333 and subnet mask. Okay, exit. Now making OSPF router OSPF 1 add network ID, router ID, and network. No. Oh, area. I forget to add the area 0. Okay, network 23 000 255 area 0. Okay, exit and making BGP router BGP 65,000 and at the neighbor router 1 remote AS 65 and neighbor update search loopback 0 and no auto summary exit. Okay, the test configure ping do ping 0 111. Okay, you can see the success, and I will test the ping to 2 router 2 ping. Okay, success. I think enough for my presentation configure FLS. Okay, see you guys in next video.